What's up guys, Justin here with the CGEssentials.com. So in today's video, just a quick tip on how to drastically improve your render speed inside of your viewport in Blender. Let's go ahead and just jump into it. All right, so sometimes when you're working with heavy scenes and you've got a lot rendering in the background, it can really kind of slow down your computer. Luckily, there's a tool built into Blender that gives you the ability to only render a region that you select. So you can activate this tool by tapping Control B on your keyboard and then dragging a box. When you drag a box, what you're doing is you are dictating an area in which you want Blender to render. So you can do a Control B again in order to place the box in a different location if you decide that you want to do that. But notice how nothing outside of this box is being rendered, which is dramatically improving our performance inside of the viewport. Now, if you want this to go away, you can do a Control Alt B and it'll clear the render area. Note that if you have multiple cameras, you're kind of dictating this based on a relative region in your screen. Meaning if you switch between the different cameras, notice how that box stays the same. Now, when you do this, your render output is going to retain the size and dimensions of that rendered area as well. So this is really valuable for doing like quick preview renders and other things like that. I wouldn't necessarily recommend using it for your final render, because with your final render, what you're doing is you're dictating the size based on the dimensions that you put in, rather than using an arbitrary box that you dragged in. Note that if you go over into your scene settings under format, you can toggle render region on or off by tapping or checking this box. So if you don't want the render region in here, but you don't want to clear out your render, you can click on this box in order to toggle that back off. And then this is going to render the whole thing in your scene. But for doing these fast preview renders, this can save you a ton of time. So if you're looking for more camera tips in Blender, I'll link to a video I did that got in depth on camera settings in Blender as well. All right, so that's where we're gonna end this video. So this is a fast, easy way to do preview renders of little areas, or just to remove extra stuff from your scene so that it's not being rendered in the background. But leave a comment below, let me know if you have any questions. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this. I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks, guys.